today's video, I will show you about 5 ways to make money online which will extremely change your life. It's just less than 1 month until the new year and you have 2 choices. The first is to know nothing in your life and stay the same. And the second option is to start working online and make your first big money. And I'm not talking about $1,000 here. I'm talking about tens of thousands of dollars. Do you think it's possible? Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. And here we go. Come with me, let's go. If you're new here, please by all means introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you, where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. In today's video, I'm bringing you something really exciting. I tested a method that claims that you can earn over $500 an hour just by using your phone. And I'm going to share my own experience with you. Is it too good to be true? Let's find out. What is this method in question? It is all about leveraging simple tasks that can be done through apps or websites directly from your smartphone. I mean, think of things like completing surveys, doing micro tasks, or even getting paid for just sharing your opinion on products or services. Now, here is the research phase. Is it legit? Before diving in, I did my research and I looked at various apps and websites that offer this kind of earning potential. Some popular ones include Swagbox, Inbox Dollars, and TaskRabbit. All of these have positive reviews, but it's also important to understand the reality behind these claims. My experience with different apps. So guys, I downloaded several apps to see which ones would actually help me earn money quickly, and here is a breakdown of my experience with each of them. For Swagbox, I earned around $50 in my first hour by completing surveys and watching videos. It is super friendly. As for Inbox Dollars, here I made about $30 for just watching videos and reading emails. But it was easy, but it took a bit longer than expected. Now the next one I tried out is TaskRabbit. This app connects you with people who need tasks done like cleaning or handyman job. I found a quick job that paid $80 for an hour of work, but you need to be available in your local area to do this. I mean, can you really make $500 in an hour? Now let's talk about that $500 per hour claim. While I did make some decent money, the reality is that making that much money in an hour is possible, but it's not easy. And it's mostly from platforms that require specific skills or services like freelance work, consulting, or even online tutoring. Yes. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings. So guys, if you want to maximize your earnings using your phone, here are some tips that I found helpful. Go ahead and combine platforms. Yes. Use multiple platforms, use multiple apps simultaneously. So while you are watching a video on Swagbox, you can have Inbox Dollars open too for additional earning. Now the next thing is to stay consistent. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day to complete tasks. I mean, consistency can lead to higher earnings. Then go ahead and participate in bonuses. I mean, many platforms offer bonuses for completing a certain number of tasks. So keep an eye out for those tasks. Be quick, yes, because speed is the key. The faster you complete your tasks, the more you can earn in that hour. So besties, after testing out these platforms, I can confidently say to you that you can earn money using your phone. I mean, it's not as easy as it sounds, but the potential to make $500 per hour is actually there, especially with specific tasks or freelance work. But the average person will likely make between $15 to $100 an hour, depending on the method that you are using or the methods that you've used. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash from your phone, I definitely recommend giving these platforms a try. I mean, if you found this video helpful, don't you like free money? Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like today's video, and subscribe to my channel for more money making tips. And let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these methods. Today, I'll be giving away $100 cash gifts. Yes, that is also part of, a way to make money by watching my own video today. This video in particular, as a matter of fact. So guys, I'm going to be giving away $100 cash gifts. Yes, you can actually make $100 from watching this video, just from watching this video. So all you need to do is this: go ahead and join my Telegram community. Yes, we have created our Telegram channel, so go ahead and join the group. You will find the link in the description as well as in the comments. So basically, this is how you can get this $100 across to you from my phone. I'm just gonna transfer it straight to you. So guys, what you need to do is add 50 people to my Telegram community. So you can achieve that by sending my Telegram link to 500 of your friends or 1,000 of your friends. Don't worry, I'm sure you're like, how will I find people that I will send it to? I'm sure you're a member of a church or your mosque or your WhatsApp group or your Facebook group or different communities that you belong to. Yes, you can send it to them even on Telegram. If you have any Telegram community or you are the leader of any group, yes, prayer group, students community, you're part of student union, or you're a part of the excos in your department or in your hall, you have your the details of students, you have their email addresses or their phone numbers. You can just email them my Telegram link, but first you need to communicate the value proposition of my Telegram community. So tell them this group was created by Miriam, and in this Telegram group, it's not just a group that spams you with nonsense. I'll be sharing a lot of money making tips and avenues for every single person that joins my Telegram group, and I'll be doing a giveaway from time to time in the group as well. So tell them clearly that this Telegram group is going to be one of the most valuable Telegram groups that you've ever come across or that you'll ever have to join. So please let them know that these are the things that they stand to gain when they join my Telegram community. When they join, you are winning. Yes, so then they join, now they win. So yes, go ahead and share my Telegram link with 500 people or 1,000 people today, and yes, I'll keep this cash for you. It's all yours. You need it, I'll just send it to you. So yes, I can send it through Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, or I can send it through Western Union money transfer. Yes, I can transfer it anywhere in the world. So yes, if you want this cash gift, go ahead and start sharing my Telegram community. Share my Telegram link with everyone and anyone that you know. And guys, that is it for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And quick one, if you're new to this channel, by all means, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I really want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, this is for you. This is for you, from me to you. You guys are the best. Thank you for the love. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. And yes, I'm my Patreon members. Kido Shelegongono Esheo. Thank you, Dalu. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for joining my Patreon membership. This is for you guys as well. Straight from my heart. Alright guys, if you want to be part of my Patreon community, please go ahead and find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. It's all about winning and winning big. Yes, so especially as we are approaching the new year. Guys, you don't want to miss it for anything. I'm working hard for you guys. They are nice to go ahead and join my Telegram community. And of course, you are on your way to making a free $100 cash gift. Join my Telegram community and also join my channel membership, my YouTube channel. Yes, subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. Turn on the notification bell for this channel and click on all so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video on this channel. And yes, if I've not introduced myself, I think I've not introduced myself. Okay, while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money. On this channel, we're not sleepy. As in G Masu, it's all about making money. And like I said, watching this video can translate into making money for you if you win my $100 cash gift. All you need to do is simple. Just one easy step. Pick my Telegram link, send it to 500 of your friends or 1,000 of your friends. Once you are sure that 50 of them have joined my Telegram group, come back to this video, let me know. Hey Miriam, I've added 50 people, 60 people, 100 people, 500 people into the group, and where is my money? I request for your details and I will transfer this money to you. Like I said, I can send it through Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, Western Union money transfer, Sendways, and World Remit. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any question, I'm here. I'll see you guys in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Love you.